I'm Dr. Sri, I'm a board certified family medicine sports medicine doctor. In this video, I'm going to teach you a technique called as the box breathing, which I learned from Dr. Andrew Weil when I visited University of Arizona. So thanks to Andrew Weil for teaching me this technique. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me explain this technique first. So basically what we're going to do is that we're going to create a square box. A square box has four sides. So basically when I create the first side of the square, I'm going to inhale for around 3 to 4 seconds. Then I'm going to hold my breath as I create the second square in my head. And then I'm going to exhale for 3 to 4 seconds as I create the third side of the square. And then I'm going to hold my breath completing the square. Again, I'm going to hold my breath for 3 to 4 seconds. So it's going to go like this. So you're going to inhale for 3 to 4 seconds. Now I'm going to hold my breath for 3 to 4 seconds. Now I'm going to exhale for 3 to 4 seconds. Again, I'm going to hold my breath for another 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, so now let's do this box breathing together. So if you like this breathing technique, then I'll recommend doing this twice a day to ensure mastery. So usually when my patients are facing a lot of panic attacks, or let us say when they get stressed, so for example, let's say they want to give a presentation, or let us say they have severe pain and they have this train of negative thoughts that is associated with the pain, or let us say if someone has like food cravings where they're not able to stop from indulging in a treat or something like that. So then I usually tell them to use this type of breathing technique so thereby it can restore them back to their calm state.
Box breathing is a fantastic tool to have it in your wellness toolkit. If you want to truly master it, consistency is the key. I would recommend practicing at least twice a day. Are you ready to try it out? If yes, then check out this video here. This is a box breathing guided meditation with calming music and gentle prompts that help you to incorporate this technique seamlessly into your daily lifestyle. If you want to know more about 478 breathing technique, then check out this video here. If you found this video helpful, please make sure the like button so this video can reach more people. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.